Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, if you to take a look at what is happening on Euro GBP USD, you see that we are ranging. Currently, market is ranging, so this will be seen as a resistance level here. We can see it. There's a first touch, second touch. We all know a resistance level needs to have a minimum of two, touches. This is the support level here. You can see this is another touch here, another touch here. So this is another touch here. So market has come to this resistance level, which was close to it. Did it touch our resistance? No, it does not. I think we have about 10 to 15 pips for it to actually hit our resistance level, but it was close to it. Then guess what we're having? We'll be expecting a drop. So this week, GBP USD will actually be dropping. Literally, I did analysis last week. If you are to go, you can go back to go and watch it. You will confirm it. I told you guys that GBP USD will give us a bullish move to this resistance level. I told you guys, right? You can see it. It literally pushed up. It came close to this resistance level. You can see that the prediction we did last week was actually correct. It came close to this resistance level. Now we are getting a drop, and this week we will be expecting this drop to the support level. Also have it that a breakout is going to play out. A breakout is ready to play out, and guess what that breakout will play out to? It will play out to the downside. Definitely GBP USD will break out to the downside. Our bias on GBP USD will be to the downside. We will be expecting a massive sell on GBP USD, but only that will happen if only we break this support level. So let's see what it does, because there's possibility that once it comes to this support level, we are likely to have another push up to this resistance level. So we will be expecting that massive sell if only we come to the support level and break below the support level. Then GBP USD will start falling massively. GBP USD, by the way, is already weak. GBP is weak. It is just waiting for that very strong buys on USD to come in before GBP will start falling massively. So GBP USD is ready for the drop. So watch out for it. First of all, it must first break the support level before we expect that drop, or we might see it range within this level for some time.